Add these unique items to your collection. Watch this video to know how to make them. Let's make a stunning summer decoration for your phone. A juicy strawberry will do perfectly. Take a piece of plastic. You can cut it out from a used plastic envelope. Smear it with fatty cream. Squeeze a thick layer of the hot glue. Shape a strawberry. Imitate leaves on top. Spread the cream on and all. Make seed-like holes in the warm glue. Mark the border between the leaves and the berry. Color the strawberry with nail polishes. Take white nail polish and a thin brush. Paint the holes white. Make the top pink. Now, use a bold red color. The further down you go, the darker. Paint the bottom burgundy red. Make a few darker strokes on top of the lighter coat to make the strawberry look natural. Remove the excess nail polish from the notches. Use the awl. Color the leaves. Use 2 green shades. Add a little blue. When mixing with green, it'll transform into a teal shade. It's so tempting! Attach it to a monochrome phone case. The eye-catching red strawberry will transform your phone into a gorgeous summer accessory. You can also use the strawberry as a cute clothes embellishment. My friend Blondie has such a boring phone. She can only have boring conversations on it. I'm going to change it. I will make a surprise gift for my friend. It's a funny phone case with bright donuts. Take a clear silicone phone case. Make hot glue circles of different sizes. They look like donuts when hardened. Paint them with nail polishes of different colors. Add colorful glaze on top of each donut and add a coat of clear nail polish with glitter on top. I put my bright phone case onto her boring phone while she is away. Then I hide it under a throw pillow. Where is my phone? Where did I leave it? She can't find it by any means. I will have to help her. I make a call, and Blondie finds her phone under the pillow. And she also finds my bright present. Colorful donuts can make anyone happy. Are you going to a party? Create your own new style. Add glow to your phone. Squeeze a thin strip of hot glue. Attach sequins. Use the elements of a few different colors to make a smooth transition of shades. The case looks as if it's covered with multicolored scales. It'll glow gorgeously in the night light. Your friends will certainly like this stunning accessory. And it'll give you reason to be proud of yourself as it's your DIY. Can't make up your mind which phone case to choose? Ask a golden fish. Place a fish template you drew in advance on your case. Make sure to align the eye and the camera. Trace it. Now squeeze the golden glitter glue, tracing the fish outline. Color the fish with nail polishes. Paint the air bubbles around it. Let the golden fish fulfill your wish and bring you luck, or at least cheer you up and remind you of the sea. Let's make our back-to-school phone case in style. Make sure a colored pencil fits your phone case length. Cut off the excess. Smooth it with fine sandpaper. Make a few pencils in the same way. Hot glue the details to the case. Keep in mind the functional holes. The phone cases become volumetric and brightly colored. Besides, you can use the pencils if necessary. Anyway, if you get bored with the design, use the hot glue to change it into something different. Do you need a new phone case? This cute Minnie Mouse featured one will make you feel like you're in a fairy tale. Spread the fatty cream over the baking paper. Squeeze the hot glue to make a circle. Add ears and a bow. Shape it with a needle. Add a little glue to make a knot. When cool, Paint the mouse black. Use nail polish. Paint the bow pink. Leave it to cool and make the case in the meantime. Wrap your phone with foil. Apply the cream on top. Make a net pattern on the back. Be sure to grasp the sides so that the case can hold your phone tight. Keep in mind the camera. When hardened, carefully remove the case from the foil. Spray paint it pink. Attach the cute Minnie Mouse. Attach the DIY case onto your phone and let the fairy tale begin. Do you want an unusual phone case? Let's make it from the filigree hearts. Wrap your phone with the foil. Press it well. Smear it with the fatty cream. Take the hot glue gun and start making beauty. Squeeze a simple pattern. We've chosen hearts. Control the glue stream by pressing over the glue stick rather than the trigger. Outline the hearts so that they touch each other. Keep in mind the sides. We've got a heart net. Leave the camera free. Be careful to fasten the sides, otherwise the phone may slip off the case. When cool, paint the hearts. Use the nail polish. Take off the case when dry. It's easier to do it with the foil. Unwrap on the back. Remove the phone. Carefully take off each detail in turn. We've made a cute romantic case using the hot glue gun quickly and easily. It's nice to touch and will protect your phone from slipping out of your hands. Emma's phone is shining with all possible colors. I mean, literally, her phone case looks exactly like a watercolor palette. Use a pencil to make marks on a white phone case. Draw a rectangle a little beyond the edge. Draw 2 thin strips to divide it lengthwise. Split the strips into squares. You've got a watercolor palette. Apply hot glue to define the outline of each square and make a long brush compartment. When the glue hardens, cover the case with white acrylic paint. Then, paint the squares in different colors. Add some water to acrylic paints. Make a smeared watercolor effect on the case. Cut off the excess brush so that it fits into the fake palette compartment. Attach it to the case. I dream of getting my hands on this colorful case. I'm going to get it no matter what it takes. I want to swipe the case so that Emma doesn't notice. Except that I'm a bad thief. While barging in, my hair gets caught by the door. I sneak to Emma. It's not comfy sitting behind an armchair, but I need to wait for the right moment. Excellent! She goes out. All clear. I stretch out to get the phone graciously as a secret agent in a spy movie. Finally, I'm there. I take off the colorful case and replace it with a real watercolor palette. The case and the palette look like 2 peas in a pod. But Emma is not that easy to be made a fool of. She comes back and sees at once that her case has disappeared. This is the work of my friend. 2 sheep, which are her spy slippers, give her away. Come on, give me my case back. We've got a great idea. Let's make a phone case with real lip gloss on it. Put some Vaseline into a glass. Add beeswax and cocoa butter. To tint the balm, use the eyeshadow. Or you can put in a piece of lipstick instead. Pour hot water into a bowl to make the ingredients in the glass melt. Stir them with a wooden stick. Pour the liquid gloss into a flat container with a clear top. Wait until it cools. Add the gloss of another tint. We've prepared it as the same recipe. While the gloss is cooling, we're making the third tint. Pour it in. Make sure each color takes 1/3 of the container. Okay, everything's cool, close the top. Attach the container to the case. Now, your favorite natural lip gloss will be always at hand. If only you don't leave your phone at home. Besides, it looks cool, doesn't it? Is there no place for the makeup in your purse? Make a 2-in-1 phone case. A case and a makeup holder. Sounds weird? No way! Take a glossy, bold red fabric. Trace the case on the wrong side. Mark the allowances. Cut it out. Make a gap for the side buttons. Hot glue the edges and fold up. We've got a pocket. Attach it to the case, leaving the top loose. Add a makeup brand logo. Glue a paper lipstick inside. Put in your favorite makeup. The smart 2-in-1 phone case and makeup holder will always keep your makeup at hand. Subscribe to Troom and underline your individuality. Give your thumbs up and ring the bell to be notified when the new video comes out.